What's up, everyone? This is Silver Slayer. If you like silver, then make sure you smash that subscribe button. I'll give you the up-to-date, most recent information on a day-to-day basis, but I also do tons of giveaways. If you want a chance to win some free silver right now, click that subscribe button and go enter my 37,000 subscriber silver giveaway video. I'll be announcing the winner in a couple days, so you still got time to enter. 38,000 subscribers, another silver giveaway. 39,000, another silver giveaway. 40,000, giving away over $1,000 worth of silver. So you got to be subscribed. It's a no-brainer. Now, today, if you are new into precious metals, this video will save your butt. It will save you a lot of money, and it will change your odds of becoming successful extremely high. If you're an OG silver stacker, this video could still help you. There's a lot of ways to invest in the silver. A lot of ways. I found this article from Business Insider, which is coming more from a mainstream media. Since silver's been in the spotlight, more quote-unquote, normal or main sources are talking about silver. And this could be dangerous because imagine if you've never invested into silver, you don't know what APMEX is, you don't know where to go. And this is your first source of information into the world of precious metals. What would it be like to just come in from here? A site that doesn't even focus on precious metals. That could be dangerous. So I want to break this article down. I haven't even gone over yet. I don't know which direction they're going to go, if it's a great article, if it's a terrible article. But I'm going to break it down. I'm going to share some context. I'm going to talk about why you should be buying from certain places, what type of silver you should be buying from these places, what's the best type of silver for you to buy, because trust me, not every silver is for every type of person. So hopefully by the end of this video, you will have your strategy on point. You'll be able to adjust, adapt, and make sure that you're on the right path. So, how to invest in the silver, a precious metal that both diversifies your portfolio and rises with new tech industries. It's the best of both worlds, baby. Bullion bars and coins are the purest way to invest in the silver, but silver company stocks and silver trading or tracking funds and notes can be more convenient to own. So they're kind of doing the best. They're kind of weighing the pros and the cons. If you can't hold it, you don't own it. If you cannot hold it in your hands, then you do not own it. I don't care how deep you are into silver ETFs or ETPs or whatever the case is. If you don't have physical silver, then you're not really investing in the silver. You're not protected. ETFs are the same thing as investing into stocks. The whole point of precious metals is to be investing into something that has intrinsic value that you can hold with your bare hands. So make sure you're investing in a physical bullion. I'll tell you guys at the, later on where to buy and all that stuff. But I just want to break this article down real quick. You can buy silver in two basic ways: physical bullion, bars and coins, or silver-backed securities, stocks, funds, ETNs. While bullion is a purer, more direct way to own silver, securities are easier to hold and can appreciate. And this is where the article kind of takes off. They're trying to push people to go more the digital route, which is dangerous. Silver offers a long-term hedge against inflation in stocks, but also benefits from certain industries' growth. So savvy investors often step outside the comfort zone of conventional paper investment, stocks, bonds, and funds, and into more exotic hard assets. I like how they try to make this so rebellious and exotic. I mean, precious metals has been used as an investment, as value for over 5,000 years, way, way earlier than stocks and all this stuff. So if anything, those are the exotic things. If you're looking from a fundamental perspective, gold and silver is valuable everywhere. Any movie you watch, if they're talking about royalty, if they're talking about something of real value, it's gold. Every movie, they're trying to find gold bars in the ocean, or, if you watch any type of movie, play any video game, it's all in gold, right? It's all gold. So if it's so normalized in media and everything, then why is it so crazy if you do it in person? Silver is more than a stock market hedge, though. As a physical commodity, it has intrinsic value, which means it's immune to inflation. It has value within itself. No matter who says that 1 ounce silver coin is worth what, no matter what the price tag on it is, that's irrelevant because that's not the value of the coin. The value of the coin is the silver inside of it, not the price tag attached to it. Given its inherent worth, Some investors also see it as a safe haven against political and economic turmoil, similar to its more glamorous cousin gold. I call silver gold on steroids. But silver is much more affordable than its yellow metal cousin. Also, unlike gold, silver is valued for its widespread industrial uses, including innovative, high-growth tech industries like solar energy and electric autos. I mean, of course, silver is going to be booming in this new technological era we're advancing in. So it only makes sense to own silver over gold. That's why my name is Silver Slayer, not Gold Slayer. All these factors have precious metals experts like Giancarlo Camarana, a strategist advisor at Core Switzerland, feeling optimistic about the performance of silver in the coming decade. What it comes down to, he says, is a combination of bullish factors. Increased demand from both the industrial sector and financial investors as they worry of the ongoing currency debasement and the possible dollar devaluation. How do you invest in silver anyway? Here's what interested investors should know. So here we get into the meat and potatoes. How to invest in silver. There are a variety of ways to invest into silver. But for individual investors, the buying options boil down to two basic forms: physical and silver securities, such as, and we're just going to focus on this because this is the only one that matters. This, irrelevant. But no, cross this out. So, physical silver. You can go into bars. Okay, so 99.9% pure. There are some coins that's 4/9 fine silver, which is like maple leafs, but 3/9 fine is most coins, right? American Eagles, pandas, all that. Maple leafs are 4/9 fine. Some other coins are too. Really doesn't matter though. 4/9 fine just means it's more pure. That's why maple leafs get milk spotted a lot easier. So bars are great. They don't really have the numismatic or the collectible value that coins do. So most times you buy bars just to invest into the metal, right? If you're just trying to buy silver because it's silver and just want to get the big, take it in your safe and just pile it up, then you go with bars. Coins, they have collectible value. They can be rare. It tells a story, right? I mean, the coins themselves could have lower mintage numbers. The design changes every year. So there also can grow premiums and you can make a lot of money. That way you can flip them. So it depends. Do you want to invest just into silver because you just want to get a whole bunch of ounces of silver, or do you want to kind of go into this collectible type of direction? That will definitely depend the type of silver you buy. Also, junk silver or constitutional silver, which is old pre-1965 U.S. coins like Barber dimes. You have your walking liberties, right? All these types of coins, but it still has a lot of benefits, right? They don't make it anymore. It's a piece of American history. They stopped making it in 1964. So what that means is they don't make it anymore, and it can start becoming more valuable as people hold it and less are on the market. It becomes more scarce. It almost grows in numismatic value. I mean, look at Morgans. Morgans were stopped being produced in 1921. So now Morgans are growing numismatic value. So you could buy them for that reason. There's also a lot of key dates. You can find them in your coin jar. They're beautiful. I mean, I love walking liberties are my favorite. The 50-cent $50. Barber dimes are cool. I also love Barber dimes. You can get them at your local coin shop for pretty cheap. It's a way to store or buy fractional silver. So you can go that route as well. And I do like how they included JM Bullion, APMEX, SD Bullion. There's also Provident Metals, Modern Coin Mart. Places like that, they're reputable. You're guaranteed that your silver is going to come. It's real. And if it gets lost in transit or the coins are damaged, they'll refund you or resend you coins that are up to your condition. If you go to eBay or somewhere like that, could get scammed. Your silver could be fake. There's a lot of fake silver on eBay. And a lot of times there's no refund, no return policy. So buying from legitimate dealers is always the way to go, especially as a beginner. If you're not a beginner, if you're OG, then you know the risks when you go to eBay. Usually you have an idea. You've bought from someone time and time again. But just be careful, right? I don't like doing trades. I don't like any of that stuff because you never know. I mean, when you're talking about silver and gold, this stuff is expensive. Some of these coins are expensive and it could cost you. People know investors have money and we are easily targeted. Most people don't have a dollar to their name or You know, they have $20 in the bank account. People that are investors, they know we have some money in our account, so we are targeted more than most people. So just be careful. Now, when it comes to buying, impulse buying is another thing. Try to set boundaries. Always try to have a safety net. If you're going to go into your local coin shop, say, I'm not going to spend anything more than $100. If you're going to start shopping online, say, I'm not buying anything more than $100, because it is so easy to get distracted. It's so easy to just get caught up and just get in the moment, especially when you see huge unboxings from like Silver Slacker and people like that. So just keep within yourself. Try to remember why you're stacking. It's so easy to get distracted. I mean, look at me. I just did a huge unboxing of 80 ounces of American Eagles, where right now I shouldn't be buying any more American Eagles. I should have plenty of them, but I got distracted in the beginning. I have more pandas and kookaburras, and I have to rebalance my stack to coins like American Eagles. And that's just me recognizing finally that I did get distracted, and I need to reevaluate my stack and my strategy and remember why I'm stacking, right? There really is no wrong way to stack, though. It's just, it is personal preference. You can't tell someone, oh, you're doing it wrong, because everyone has different financial situations, more or less income, different goals, different exit strategies, different time frames. So have fun with it, but also try to be mindful. And if you're looking at it for strictly investment purposes, then you probably want to stack a little bit different. So most of us do have hobbyists inside of us. We like the coins, their sentimental value. Some of us won't sell any silver. Some of us have coins we're never going to sell just because we like them so much or they represent something to us. But at the end of the day, hopefully you're just being responsible. Patience, balance, budgeting, the three most important words in the silver stacking world, in my opinion. So yeah. I hope I explained this video well. Hopefully you have a better idea when it comes to buying, where to buy, how to buy, what to buy, why you're buying that stuff, and so on and so forth. So if you think this video was educational, informational, at least entertaining, make sure to smash the like button. I post daily videos. I'm also doing a 37,000 subscriber giveaway, so make sure you're subscribed. Thanks for tuning in. This was Silver Slayer. I'll see you guys soon. Peace.